What is happening? What is good on you? Absolute bunch of legends. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to create oceans and how to create an ocean scene. So what we can do is we can, well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create the ocean. So using the add-on, don't worry, it's completely free. So this is awesome. And then what I'll do is we'll just create a quick scene to see how it works and show you a couple of features. So let's jump into it. First thing I want to do is I'm going to leave a link in the description to it. It's called Alt Tab Oceans. So once you've got it there, it's here and it's completely free and it gives you 8 different oceans. Okay, you can pick what you want. So you can look for something. I'm going to go with Ocean 4. Click on it, click Append, and now you've got that. So you can adjust things and you've got this. So if I go to my camera, you can see there, this is our view. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go 1920 by 1080. We're just going to create a nice looking kind of moody ocean scene, a little bit different, kind of surreal. So I'm going to go G, I'm going to bring this back to about here. So we've got a view like this now. So what you could do is you can click here and you can change your waters, and if you click here you can change your ocean kind of seeds, and you can do that. You can do the size, so you can bring it like this, and there, and you can change your waves. You can make it more flat, you can make a smallest wave, you can change that, and the choppiness, you see it does that, direction, so it's completely customizable, which is pretty awesome. Make it 0. So now if I go here, it looks like this. So you can change your basically your waters, so you can do that. You can pick any kind of water that you want like this. So I'm just going to go with that, and then what I'm going to do now is let's create a scene. So you got the ocean, see there, it looks like that. Very nice. It comes with material. So if you use the ocean modifier, it's pretty good. It's almost like this, but there are no materials, and you want a nice water material. This gives it to you straight away. So this is pretty cool. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here, my world, and I'm going to bring this completely dark. I'm going to click here, and now everything is dark. Right. So let's light the scene. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go Shift A, and I'm going to go to Mesh, and I'm going to get an icosphere. Click over here and give it 3. Let's go with 2 subdivisions. Okay, and then what you can do now is click there, go to modifiers, so click here, and we're going to search for a wireframe modifier. Then we've got this. So I'm just going to zoom in, then you can bring the thickness up, then got this. Now click on this, zoom out, then go S and scale this up, Z, G and bring it to about here, X, G and bring it up. So we're going to use this to light our scene. Okay, so once you've clicked here, what you can do now is go to shading. So select your icosphere, go to shading, hit new, and then click on the principal SDF. You can delete it. Shift A and look for an emission node and plug this into the surface. Now I'll go here to camera and I click here. It's got something like this now. So we can change the color. Let's make it like a blue. And then bring the strength up to maybe about 5. You can see it gives it nice reflections. Go back to layout and let's see how it looks like now. Now what we can do is let's go here, go Shift A, Mesh, and we're going to add some volume. So cube, S, scale it up big like that, and then go to your shading, click here, hit new, click on the principal BSDF, delete it, Shift A, and look for a volume. So principled volume, plug the volume to the volume. And if I click here, now what you want to do is bring the density to 0.1. and you got something like this. Now you can click on this emission and bring this up quite a lot, and something like this now, and then bring this density maybe to about 0.5. So you got a little bit more ocean looking in the scene. And now if I click here, we've got this. If I hide this, this is what the scene looks like. It's looking quite nice. You can obviously, what will happen is, if you go to compositing, click use nodes, boom, and then go Shift A for a layer node. Plug that in there and change this from streaks to blue. And now, I click here now, I've got something like this now. Now, if I render this, if I go F12, and you got something looking like this now. So it's a little bit bright. What you could do is just bring it down a little bit, but you get the gist of it. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, it looks something like this now, and hopefully you learned something. The main reason for the video was to show you about this cool Alt Tab Ocean add-on, not sponsored, because it's completely free, so feel free to check it out. But I thought I would just show you how to create something pretty quickly with this scene. And yeah, you can do it in like daytime scenes. Also looks pretty good because it's got auto shader. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.